Check. Hey, sound. Hey, 1 2. All right. So I'm live. Okay. So guys, first off, welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone, whoever's watching this video. So I assume the moment you're watching this video, you already made it through the hiring process. So congratulations. Now, before we could have you start in day number 1, there are still things that you have to make sure that you have in your computer. All right, so without further ado, let me talk about it. And I apologize if the environment is kind of like this. I'm not fun in video editing, so forgive me. It's just a typical Microsoft Word. Now, first off, what you have, you need to have a Skype subscription. Now, I assume everyone has Skype account already. Skype subscription basically is the subscription that you'd have to get so that you could call out to the United States. Now, how do we do that? We have to go to skype.com. All right, so let's use this one, skype.com. I'll show you how to do it. Skype.com, and then you sign in. Go to my account. All right, it's taking quite some time. You log in. Okay, so I'm logging into my Skype account. All right, now, first you have to select Skype to phone, and then here you'd be provided with some calling options. Yes, you're seeing some dollar amount. I'm gonna discuss that in a few. You have to select the United States flag. Click that one, and then we will be subscribing with the United States mobile and landline unlimited minutes for $2.99 per month. All right, so $2.99. I apologize. This is something that everyone must provide. This is not company provided, so you'd have to shell out $2.99 first. That's gonna be good per month. So the moment you click continue, you'd be asked for your either PayPal account or a credit or a debit card number. So you can pay every month, you can pay every 3 months, you can pay for the whole 12 months. So I suggest you pay every month. Hit continue, and then since I already have I actually have a subscription already, so it wouldn't let me put a PayPal information or a credit card information here. So but by default, the next page you'd be asked for the payment details. All right, and from there on you can start calling the United States. And the moment the subscription gets to be confirmed, you will be sent an email. All right, next, where's that? Next, Skype MP3 Recorder. Okay, let me open one tab. All right, Skype MP3 Recorder. So all calls should be recorded. Why? All sales calls must be verified by a quality control specialist. Okay, now you could not submit a sale without providing a recording of that conversation. So what you have to do is download look for MP3 Skype Recorder. Google it. The first option that will show is the VoIPCallRecording.com. So you have to go there, download the free version. Okay, now I already have that on my file. It's actually here. It should look like this. All right, now the moment you have downloaded that in your computer, the environment of that application should look like this. I would suggest the moment you have that downloaded, hit this one. This is where the files all calls are being sent to. I would suggest you create a specific destination of where you'd want all the calls to be put in. In me, I did put it in my desktop. I created a call recording folder, so somewhat like that. Yeah, from here you can create a path of where your call recordings will go to. Okay, next, leads to dial. Okay, leads to dial. Let me show that to you. Leads to dial. I'm gonna be sending that to you. Let me just show you how it looks like. It looks like this. Okay, so right now someone's calling out. It's gonna look like this. It typically it has the name of the company, right? The name of the owner, and then their phone number. Sometimes it has email address like this. Most of the time it does not. And this is going to be your worksheet. This is where you'd be getting the calls that you, the numbers that you'd be calling out. I give out leads from time to time, so this is going to be manual dialing. And from there, you'd be able to look at this agent. She's putting like notes. WN is for wrong number. You know, this one got funded already. NI is not interested. So you'd be able to work on this sheet and, you know, put all your call disposition and call notes. That's going to be yours. Unfortunately, you could not download this. You should be working on a Google Sheet. I'm going to share that to you anyway. So there you go. Next, Time Doctor. Okay, so Time Doctor. So that's basically the time tracking application app. And I assume by this time you already have read the training material, which is also on a Microsoft Word that I gave you probably at this point. You will be getting an email coming from me, and from there on you can download Time Doctor. A Time Doctor looks like this. Oops, not like that, not that one. I'm sorry. Time Doctor looks like this. Okay. This is the old version of Time Doctor. For some reason, it's been upgraded, but others has a different appearance. So okay, so to speak. But it only basically it what it does is it tracks your working hours. It tracks what you does. It's been explained in the training material on what it does anyway, and it has a link where you can go to make sure that you understand how Time Doctor works. Last thing, hot lead and warm lead tracker. Actually, this is just what we call the hot lead tracker. Let me correct that. Hot lead tracker. So it looks like this. Ta-da. Okay, so this is basically a number board of how many sales you've gotten. So this will be explained further on how it works with on your first day. But basically, every time you get a sale, so today is, let's say, today is a Thursday, and then it was Nicole who did a sales call. Today, Nicole got 2, so she got 2 sales. So that's how we track it. And it's going to be the quality control specialist who would be putting in the number of sales the moment you send them a lead. They will be confirming it, and then they verify. And if it's verified, then we put your numbers here on your name. Okay, so I guess that's it. Next, yeah, that's it. So good luck everyone, and hope you all have a great day. Thanks.